Alright guys, so I got Roku live TV playing an Escalade. It's a 2013 Escalade hybrid platinum model. And basically all I got hooked up is this HDMI to RCA converter I got from Amazon. That was about 10 bucks, I think. The actual I used the Roku streaming stick plus or something like that. I don't even have a box, but it's just the stick itself. This is basically what it comes with. And the only other thing I had to get was this middle piece here, this HDMI female to female. So the Roku goes in here and the RCA converter goes in there and just kind of connects that way, and everything comes up fine. If I go, let's go back. I'm watching this off of YouTube TV. That's what I have in the house. So all I had to do was basically sign in, you know. So all the channels, sports, playoffs, all the movies, basically, you know, the whole package is about like, I think 85 plus channels or something like that. Click on that, and also it plays up front the same way, as you can see. And the main reason why I did this is because I didn't want an aftermarket unit for somebody else to steal. So everything in here is factory, no additional devices added. If you have an Escalade, you know this already comes in there stock, but this one, you know, is the platinum, so it comes with the headrest and that one. But these are individual units from the factory, so you can put a DVD inside the top here and have something different on each one, or have them sync to use this, you know, play the same movie. And these two units will play, you know, basically off of that. So this runs off these, and these can be individual. Now once you drive, of course, this is going to go back to the factory unit. So once I get a bypass, I was quoted like 500 bucks with labor and the unit and all that, so I'll probably add that at some point. So this will continue to play. This always plays, of course, while you're driving, but bypass will do that, and everything should be perfect, man. It's really all you need. This was 49 bucks for the Roku. The adapter was, like I said, a few dollars. And of course you gotta have something to plug this into, and I'm using a power inverter here. This one is about what is it, 3,000 watts. Pretty much overkill for this, but the reason why I got this is because it also powers the PS5 when I tested that. So you really don't need that much for if you're just running a Roku stick. I could have used the Amazon Fire Stick too, and but I just chose Roku just because I got a TV that's got Roku built in also, and I'm just kind of over Fire Stick at this point, but it's the same thing. The signal, as you can saw, it went out for a second, but it came back. So I don't know if they got better versions of these RCA to HDMIs, but I'm gonna look again, see if there's a little more expensive one, so the connection will stay guaranteed longer. If anybody know about that, let me know. But everything is running perfect right now. I don't have a DVD in here to show you that this also runs too. I don't think I have one in here either. Nope, no disc. So, but those play fine. But the main thing was about this Roku I wanted to show you, and being able to use the same factory unit. Nothing has changed. The quality looks decent, you know, especially for 50 bucks, you know. No aftermarket unit, and this is always even better quality here. I think it's like what, an 8-inch screen or something like that. But anyways, if you guys have any questions, let me know. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you have any troubles or issues doing this. This will work in pretty much any car, of course. I just happen to have a Escalade now. So and I think the newer ones even have an HDMI port already built into it, like some of the Tahoes and everything. So if you got something newer than the 2013, you'll probably be even easier of a setup. This stuff I'll just throw in a box. I'll wrap it up, maybe stick it inside the console here, or just have get me a little bag or a little some type of holder and just put all that stuff in there to keep it cleaned up. But yeah, man, let me know what you think. Peace.